Alright, so what we can see in here, she has chronic onychomycosis, which is a fungal infection of the nail. Makes it very thick and difficult to cut. So then it being too long, he got it jammed and then he pulled it. Pulled it just a little bit. It's a partial avulsion. But at this point, the safest thing to do is just take the whole thing out and start treating the fungal infection. That way, as the nail grows, it won't have the fungal infection. I've already used lidocaine here and here to numb you up. Does it feel like your toe is asleep?
It still is getting that way.
You feel any pain?
Not pain, but I feel your hand.
Right, you're gonna feel pressure, touch, but
Yeah.
pain. I'm gonna grab the nail and wiggle it. Any pain? No pain? Let me know if there's any pain.
Oh, yeah, I felt that.
Well, we're all done actually. All I'm doing now is cleaning up.
Really?
Yeah, look. Your nail's gone.
Is it bleeding?
It's bleeding some.
I know it really bled this morning when, you know, I first heard it.
Just cleaning it up right now.
Oh, okay.
So
What's
now,
fast?
the next thing that's gonna happen is the nurse is gonna wrap it up with some non-sticky material and then a big wrap around it.
Oh, 'cause I know I'm on Plavix, that's my bleed.
Oh yeah, you will bleed. Yeah. But we'll put something in it, we'll put some pressure like that and wrap it up to diminish the bleeding.
Yeah.
And like I said, you need to follow up with the primary care doctor so they can put you on the medicine for the fungus, so that hopefully that new nail growing up and out won't have that.
Oh, okay, yeah.
And that's what came out. Just very big.
That was an ugly thing, wasn't it?
It happens, right?
Yeah.
Snooki shares the secrets to her 50-pound weight loss.
Hey everyone, this is Snooki and I wanted to give a shout out to all the crew at Thernergy. I wanted to just tell you guys to keep losing all the weight. You're doing amazing and congrats on hitting your goals. Yes, queens. So I lost a lot of weight too, thank Christ. So I know how hard it is to lose the weight and stay in shape. I get it, guys. So keep up the good work. You guys are doing great. Good job.